So if you're a personal injury attorney and you're considering a free audit, let's be real here. There are tons of tools that just pop these out in 2 minutes, and they don't give you that granular look of what it's going to take it to the next level. Before we get started working on any campaign for a personal injury attorney, we do what we call an SEO discovery. So similar to how an attorney does a discovery before they go to trial, we look at everything. So we look at not only your website, but also your content, your competitors' content, your reviews, your overall prominence. And we look at this in such a detailed manner. By looking at data, we can actually predict and plan a campaign that has the ability to succeed. I'm sure everyone's heard prescription without diagnosis is malpractice, and it's the same for SEO. You have to do a thorough discovery before you start any strategic plan, especially in the personal injury space. So if you found yourself in this situation where it says enter your website URL into this field and it pops out a report, those are garbage. Those aren't even a starting point. You have to dig in. You have to look at your competitors. You have to look at what they're doing in your market. Every market's different. Some dominate motorcycle accidents, some dominate truck. What is the area that you can move in first to get an ROI, and then use that as leverage to move into all the other markets? So the moment you call us, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna check out your firm. We're gonna go to your Google My Business reviews and see that you have at least a 4.0. If you don't have a 4.0, we're not even gonna work with you, because we only wanna work with the best in the market. Then we're gonna do an exploratory call, just to get to know you and a little bit more about your firm and your goals, just to see if we're the right fit. If we're the right fit and you want to dominate, your search engine optimization, then great. We'll take the next thing that we do is SEO discovery. If we're not the right fit, we're going to try to help you and point you to someone who is. So because we're so highly focused, we know what we're good at, we know what we can help you out with, and if we can, we'll tell you, but if not, we're going to tell you, point you to someone else.